Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Getting BlueStacks error code 0 can really stop you in your tracks, can't it? It's that frustrating message preventing your favorite mobile games or apps from even opening. While it might seem like a big deal, this error is actually quite common. The good news is, there are a few simple steps you can take to get everything running smoothly again. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. First, try giving your computer a complete restart. This can often clear temporary glitches. Next, make sure to close any programs running in the background, especially other emulators or demanding applications, as they might be causing a conflict. Also, always double-check that your internet connection is stable and reliable, as a poor connection can sometimes trigger unexpected errors. Outdated software is a frequent culprit for these kinds of errors. Always make sure your BlueStacks application is running the newest version. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve stability. It's equally important to update your graphics card drivers, as outdated ones can directly impact BlueStacks performance. Don't forget to keep your Windows operating system current with all its updates too, ensuring overall system compatibility. Now, let's explore some slightly more advanced troubleshooting steps. A crucial setting is enabling virtualization technology, often called VT, in your computer's BIOS. This helps BlueStacks run much more efficiently. Sometimes, your antivirus or firewall might mistakenly block BlueStacks, so try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, clearing BlueStacks cache and data can remove any corrupted files causing problems. If you've tried everything else, a clean reinstallation of BlueStacks might be necessary. Make sure to completely uninstall it, removing all residual files before downloading a fresh copy. Always double-check that your computer meets BlueStacks' minimum system requirements to ensure it can run properly. And remember, if you're still stuck, don't hesitate to contact BlueStacks' official support team for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.